here you go. There's another question regarding can Google Ads replace SEO. In another question, I answered regarding Google Ads affect SEO. But then the question is, can Google Ads replace SEO? I mean, both have their own benefits. If you ask me on what are the benefits of, let's say with Google Ads, you can go online as low as within 24 hours. Your ad can go live on any targeted keyword. But with SEO, it takes time, patience, strategies. You know, need optimize your landing page, generate more clicks. But even with Google Ads, you need to optimize your landing pages to generate more sales or more conversions. So both have their own thing. But no, Google Ads cannot replace SEO, because SEO has their own perks and privileges, and Google Ads has their own perks and privileges. Another advantage of SEO is that once you are ranked, you are not directly paying for each visitor to land on your website. But with Google Ads, any day, anytime, you have to pay for each click landing on your website. You may be curious, like, although you need to spend money on SEO as well, but you are not directly paying for each visitor. When you pay directly for each visitor, so it feels more like being charged. So the feeling out of this is different. So I mean, yeah, now there are more and more advertisers on any keyword. If you search on Google, and like you can see these ads, 4 ads, and then normal results are being shown. Like, this is my normal window, and without scrolling, I'm just seeing over here are ads, and after 4 ads I can now see normal listings. But ads have their own advantage, but no, they are not going to replace SEO, because SEO provides information, and Google is basically a search engine based on information. And although we can discuss this topic for hours and hours, and you will still be clueless on this, but in my opinion, if you ask me, no, Google Ads is not going to replace SEO. Both have their own perks and privileges. Let's say if I run an ad on a specific query through Google Ads and I find it useful, then I can do SEO for that keyword as well and generate my normal rankings. And I can do both Google Ads and SEO to get multiple listings. Like here you can see the Bluehost link over here, and then Bluehost is also over here with their organic result. So you can do both things as well. And still, Google is the largest search engine, and it is actually impossible for them to have advertisers for every keyword, and there are many keywords without any ads, because the main purpose of Google is not to provide ad, but rather to provide information to the user, and that can be only done through SEO and by providing search engine results. And there are many keywords available where there are no ads and only search queries, which make sure that SEO is over here to stay. And because people only target on buying keywords and not on other keywords, and what do you gonna show over there? You have to show some results, and that results are being obtained through SEO or normal search engine listings. So in my opinion, which is why no, none of them is going to replace either, and they both are going to work well, and you can even use both of them in your work and get better results. I hope this answers your question. Thank you.